Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy A73. And to do this you will need to open the Google Play Store, inside find Firefox, select it and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Now customize your browser by choosing different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch the privacy settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.